Hello everybody, I'm Maz and welcome to week 30 of Babies and Books. Babies and Books is all about engaging with your little ones, spending time with them and enjoying books together. So the one we're going to be looking at today is Honk Honk Ba Ba by Petra Harshek, and it's a Book Start Cymru book. Okay, before we start our book, we always start with our hello song. So we're going to be saying hello to some of you, Ben and Rebecca and Holly. And if anybody wants a shout out, do let me know in the comments down below. Okay, here we go. Waving hands ready. Hello Ben, hello Ben, hello Ben, it's nice to have you here. Hello Rebecca, hello Rebecca, hello Rebecca, it's nice to have you here. Hello Holly, hello Holly, hello Holly, it's nice to have you here. Hello everybody. So we're going to start our farmyard session with Ba Ba Black Sheep. Here we go. Ba Ba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Ba Ba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little girl who lives down the lane. Yay! So now we'll go for a visit to Old MacDonald's farm, and he has a sheep and a dog and a pig. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Fantastic! Now, I've got my little horse here, and I'm going to sit my horse on my knee, but you can sit obviously your little one on your knee, either facing you or facing outwards, and we're going to do horsey horsey. Horsey horsey, don't you stop, just let your feet go clippity clop, your tail goes swish and your wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. So you bounce them up and down. And now we'll do it a little bit faster. Ready? Horsey, horsey, don't you stop, just let your feet go clippity clop, your tail goes swish and your wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. Hooray! Well done. So, let's have a look at our book, and if you'd like to join in with me making the animal noises, that would be fantastic. Here we go. Hee-haw, hee-haw, goes the donkey. Baa, baa, goes the sheep. Oink, oink, goes the pig. Woof, woof, goes the dog. Meow, meow, goes the cat. Honk, honk, goes the goose. Moo, moo, goes the cat. Now, if you've got this book or any of the other Book Start Cymru books, you may have noticed that they've got a QR code on the back. Some of them have. And hopefully, if technology works, I've scanned the QR code and we should now be able to listen to it in Welsh.
Honk honk, me, gan Peter Horacek. Addasiad Llynos Dafydd. I-o, meddai'r asyn. Meddai'r ddafad. Soch, meddai'r mochyn. Wow, meddai'r ci. Miaw, meddai'r gath. Honk, meddai'r ŵydd. Moo, meddai'r fuwch.
Amazing, well done, there we go. So also, I've made some little flashcards. So the idea of these is that you can talk to your little ones about the animals, and then on the back I've got something to represent their feathers or their wool or their fur. So you can have a chat about the animals. So say the donkey's got 4 legs and goes hee-haw, and then you can talk about how it feels or how they think it might feel as well. So I think it feels fluffy, and it does. I hope you've enjoyed that session today, and we'll see you all again soon. Hwyl fawr, bye bye.